So yare good I question si da ko I is the 100 nearly 100 for each chapter I 100 questions select ovani so si question si pajan holo and 100 into I chapter the 20 chapter like ani so there is 2000 question ni so 1500 to 2000 question I holo kani I know the have point number 9 point number 9 let's read this point number 9 and then start our question hot pa che si gatang ahan by part si gatang pau very important khangzal lo si si ado apply to jo haidong ni ko ai sidang irmer sidang hang ba to na to astronomical unit light year and parsec they are all the unit of time ne ah leng ne sine confusion ne hai light year harak pakanda year sida kai mani sine hai to mes year sida time ya mandro time natte have this is the length ne distance traveled by the light in 1 year so astronomical unit light year and parsecs they are all kari unit of length ada hayang amana mo order ju khango base do not nagi jumble this order I thoi na si order in astronomical unit light year and parsec which is largest this one parsec is the largest unit light year adu nagi ahum ji the smallest kana no astronomical unit clear vedra question na kamai hangdo ba let's start from this question see question de horse exam the comment question hangel man amuk you don't need to by head all these things one light year is equals to 10 to the power no need adu khang lergadi I will say police kitang pang bahay tare little police yarava aduna sisi na bayate then how to handle such questions adu ne ko tak tis loin simba pula ya pote si hangyo si exam gi exam question ne yaraba sa na answer most likely I think answer the example question mani hangre exam da si hangi badagi le satra makhan loin simba pungai tawre one light year gina asu apang ba yaraba soidana hang payon hanga jo sinong simba bu na te chemistry da sahi am hangi nangi element amagi magi atomic number high one 2000 kya adano 22 ra 21 la mathang golak sahi da nangi all nangi yawriba chemistry da yawriba periodic table da yawriba mayam du atomic number khangai hona gre and you are again police kanang khangam doino scientist po khangam moy khangam de yai tholai tamina dum simba rongani akoi de ma khatana te simba pu du sim mayam lei haba and the reason nama lei ramgane adu khango haba why they are asking it why not others IIT da koi iron bo khangi iron gi maka ngasi bo khangai hona de khangde si khanga lore adu man is hangi astronomical unit si conversion is zoom khang le si roidra me yaraba not possible 1 angstrom sibri si satra loin khang mani 10 to the minus 10 yaraba macha masu milli micro adu nano adu dikhar khango light year per se astronomical unit it is not possible then how to handle such type of question hangdi hangdore exam da akoi na khangre astronomical unit mathanda kana leiba light year mathanda percent latro per section nangi largest unit out of this astronomical unit mi chauriba unit neba is nangi large unit neba adu large unit so man 10 to the power minus 11 harini yaadro sibong 10 to the power minus 11 height ade kana na saw henu sija meter na saw henu dro which is impossible ne haba si khangwa haba ne by head to haba na clear ba they are not asking you to by head this na kamai ne apply to ke to khangwa haba ni sima ko yarni ko jam ana last astronomical unit light year and parsec jin jin yi sini sida khangho ro ba yum de sala gong by head to lai kona kana they are the unit of kari length yaraba good sisi ma hange now let's start solving problems ai question number 1 de tum hawra ge question number 1 and 2 yengazi section ahum thong thong khaidor kani in my questions section ahum yarongani section 1 is NCERT and NCERT exemplar question NCERT question atani NCERT and NCERT exemplar section number 2 it is for previous year questions previous year question haibasida nangi NCERT yaroni sorry NEET yaroni AIMS yaroni aduga amana G yaroni G means amana no 15 days before exam I hagre 15 days before exam I will provide you 100 to 150 questions least of 100 and 100 150 questions you must by heart these answers you should by heart it yakadra hot pa ju hayu koi hot pa do lo yawni ai bugle to so yamba yawro ngakani you must by heart it sima koi sana tare 15 days before exam I will share it The number of significant figures in the haro se significant tak pakanda significant rule macha macha haram ji haro ro. What is the rule? Pref zero makai marakta laiba zero makai they are all significant haraba. Amana nagi kaya tare leading zero makai they are not significant. Leading makai zero significant ate. Trailing the so that is meaning in basing do. Trailing zeros for integer. Integer hai decimal yaw there ba. Integer so trailing zero makai je integer gyo na for integer they are not significant. Yaraba. Good. Adu decimal the decimal that is point yaw basing the di haro haro meaning the trail to zeros they are quite significant. Yani ba. Question is, hazard question is later. Akoin hagre ha badakari leading zero are not significant hamatro. What about this 0.09 habasida sigi zeros si han by zero ani se are they significant or not? Non-significant. Point gi mamang di yawasita zero ki ibase sum chatna bi ama ibai wani idrasu ay ko sidin. So they are not significant. What about this? Decimal gi mamang di yaw zeros in significant or non-significant hero? Non-significant. Kay do bay no? Leading name. Yaraba. D0 is not significant. Yaraba. Then the question is if it is written like this. How many significant digits are here? So much gangzalo. Tin NCRT question ni aina ama pire. Si hadi paper do no ina print out lor kanda isalo haba. 0.00 high targadi. Is this 20 significant? Yes, sir. Tuma laga. Your no is no. Yaraba. This is significant. Yarbo, these two zeros are significant. 0.00 is 0 and is significant. Then I said one heck half zero recommend what to them. Significant oidre. So much going tare. Handra. Kamai jiba puni or one half parties. Out the matang the man having two half parties is out there. You know, stand two half under it. 0.001 that is one half of a significant or hidreco. Two half adi. That's how do you know? Significant. Okay. Good. Si khara khango. Ado mai yam lai re. Haro. Ade amana si nangi smaina power yaw ba singje significant count obra? No, we don't count it. Haro si sida. How many significant figures we have? These two zeros are not significant. Ade mai mari sigata ngai ba. So 4. Hai trase column is. Heng pira kan daw de same to koloi ko. Yara ba ko na ki pi do ni. Na di sma ju pitura de no ko pa ngai ro. Which of the following measurement is most precise? Precise have a revision in I jumble or so wide the precise subject, you know. What is the meaning of precise and accurate? Size hadi salu. The question of the print on no man there. Yara some kanzalos. The was into nice study you go. Very good. Precise have a accurate have a what is the difference? And the masa cited on isang theory machamsa. Come I handle down. Precise hargadidoba nearness. Closeness. Closeness among measurements. Among measurements. Yeah, I'm not saying about the measurement. Doesn't matter. Yarava. We do not care whether this is correct or not. Measure values in Jumarata Nangi, Nakada. I'm consistent with it. Just like my consistently wrong. I know how see Mike comes along with the Kanana Tahoe. Tavram the Haro online Satram. Tavram. Oh, yeah, private, Tamra can talk. Okay, perfect. On the precise of it, I'm consistent with land get chungera. I didn't get Naxan Dunga, Nangi statement to home with. Example like Pigre. Accurate. Accurate Hanakadava. Correctness. Correctness. Chumba Hengadava. Naxan Nagadava. Yaraba. Other hang diagram the Dicadota diagram and Pire, Nangi seen a correct and a values. See the Nangi Kapadova. Nangi single swipe the loin Paishalas well, swipe Tasalaga. Kaigaweza. Precise. Yarava. Politics is preciseness is very important. Chungra Langira. More them. Now, Sigi Manaxida, Nangi Amanas mind side hole area, so that's why some side hole area. Sige goisa accurate. Yarava. In measurement, what we want is both precise and both accurate. Yarava. Good. Ying as if. Kaya am ako'y precise one. Am kuptan na isang ton ato pa lunam am kupsan ba itarin. Am kupsan ba do? Kupsan no kon ba do ni mana sida haningi sina. 5.00 mm ha ba ma'am? amar hadi value di zaman nare amar unit ta khenam natra. Smaller the unit is, preciseness your nangi measurement is yaraba. So units pick pasi kana no mm hangi ni ko si. So this is the nangi most precise ama je centimeter meter kilometer. Good simo koi khangoro. Next question number 3 a hot ko 4 5 yang asi 4 5. The number 2.745 and 2.735 on rounding of ki information am la rounding of ki niyam se kano rounding of har gadi it is just is accurate nangi approximation yaraba. Approximate tauge had when hagre senagi point of this I want to remove this or this is my end point. I want to remove the other remaining parts. Numbers in the local ko pam yarabo. How do you suppose sida lady wa machine go 5 tagi sauren kalone se sen 6 harone si machine sina 1 or 2 or ni boy just no. How do you khay haro si lok thok to ri machine jin like sin end point we hele ko end point sin n any when boy so lok thok to ri machine go if it is greater than 5 5 is out target approximate tauge hadi suppose I 66 I want to approximate kama ini sa 70 iroidro approximation to si lo to ganda 70 rom na natro 66 lies between kana kana gi 60 and 70 ada kana rom da nak ki haba 70 rom da yaraba 70 rom da good on my ibe wani rule is if the digit to be removed to greater than 5 oitadi ngai sagi nagi last ki end point to plus 1 to hedra. If this is less than 5 oitar sina if sige nangi logthok to video 5 days awanda yarabo logthok to ido nangi 5 tagi less oitar di don't add anything that is plus 0 yaninga if it is equals to 5 what will happen haru ke do ba make this even see even o hello ha ba yaraba by adding not by removing clear bro equals to 5 oitadi serious ma hero 3 5 hero ne if you want to remove this 5 then what you should do plus 1 4 itare and sin da if this is 2 5 it is already even so no need to add a to 0 dang a to tare and sin da si kadang kango now yenga si the number 2.745 and 2.735 on rounding up to 3 significant figures significant height tade ke dawani ahum significant ahum helana tro isam samna you should stop here yarabo of the digit to be remove is 5 taraba exactly 5 oitadi magi last digit check to helana tro make the last digit even so the even already oitadi khoi lok kemte to me ta de na 2.74 tarani next 2.3 is the 3 is odd so it should be we should add plus 1 to make it even ko 2.74 2.74 yani ba so this answer yaradro NCERT question aata hai live bane young's model next is unit conversion nangi CGS system dagi SI system da CGS convert awuduni yani ba so ire young's modulus of steel is 1.9 into 10 power 11 newton per meter square this is kay unit haro SI unit mana kay da convert aw hara CGS unit अब the ASI दगी CGS से convert हो गया yung 1.9 into 10 to the power 11 sinadra Newton meter square अदे Newton है बजिदी कनो करिगा माने दाइन द डायरेक्ट नोई खंग बजिंग दुदी इरोक आई दी खंग दे लो दुनी how to write this Newton है करिगा माने के meter per second square ना so 1.9 into 10 to the power 11 से नगी से 1.9 into 10 to the power 11 हरो kg meter per second square na meter amaga meter square amaga kasan nagrava now kg dubu gram de iro 10 to minus 7 khangmang khan dar iro kg is nangi gram de 10.3 gram taraba second dum leni tana meter de millimeter de iga to kan 10 to power 3 yarva kain to risina kg meter per second square okay centimeter wando ba centimeter da oh the cannot I need the meter iram is one see the atoba video yang leira ba marketing kan way using zero qnet ka yaw ka leidana chien gan to do mi khombi do adu yaw le am da nai sa tram khay yaw bro kana yawi ai manong le ko UPSC nang civil service ke preparation loi tok thogal main zum kom leba mi gari mamang chang jeng le photo copy sing do ai dubai chal re ka raga mori da chalaga okay no yare good good yare se अब the haro 1.9 is a low 1.9 into 10 power 11 haro अब the kg mo ta 10 power 3 gram le raba अब next second dum thamo meter ki mo ta 10 power minus 2 yani abo minus 2 centimeter 10 power 2 centimeter clear ba अब the horen 6 gram centimeter sidi cgs ta raba cgs ta jani kaya le mo re haro 1.9 into 10 to the power haro sidi kya ta re 1 la cross ya 10 3 to the 10 to the power 1 ado kya ta 10 to the power 12 sigi dang ta ra cross bo ta ra pra tares tares clear bro yeah. So from SI to nangi CGS, CGS to SI, it's quite simple. It's quite simple. Yeah, Tazarni, don't worry. Yarbo. Next question. Next question. Question क्या सुरिया कोई उजगोल इसे? Question या मुहर पे हो जो question तारा का सुरका दो रे. Wow bro जी होर पे जा. Wow. Wow. अदन अकोई ना question leasing हम होलो अगर when I say solve 1000 question first instance no impression से क्या ना असुक या आंबा question है बा. But regularly nungti gi nangi chapter wise the question kar kar sum hot kian 1000 to the khangawro है बा. If the unit of force is 100 Newton, unit of length is 10 meter, and unit of time is 100 second, what is the unit of mass in this system? My system of units is mass. So, entirely, they are asking to find mass की unit से पूछो है ना तो mass in terms of force का mass का relation of the हानि unit से ये वो सिद्ध मान कर हारे ना कि force should be what? Force है 100 Newton उल्लम में तो इस मान relation of the साग force should be equals to हारो mass से दी mass into acceleration तो अरे मान लेंग नो कहीं पीपने कहीं हावी यार कीजी मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर में तो यार 1 न्यूटन है target 1 न्यूटन है जो क्या माने सोम देखिए उबंग हम प्रोसीजर ना ऑनलाइन साथ रहा हूँ कहीं वो उमा नहीं था 1 न्यूटन है जो क्या माने रहा 1 kg 1 meter divided by 1 second square metro now I हो जो कई पामे से I want this force to be how much 100 न्यूटन 100 न्यूटन ताना नंग मास क्या ताने मास नंग थांग साना सु यार let's make the कनोतो उसे से नंग 100 न्यूटन उहेल जे बको 100 न्यूटन उहेंदर है कीजी ना क्या होलो हरे मास ना और मास पुदोक तो नहीं यार वो I don't know this x हारो ने x कीजी मीट लेंग तो ने क्या होंदो बा 10 meter second क्या होंदो बा 100 second नो इन सोई तो जैसे 100 second square ये रेडी सोई रहे बा कमाई तारे 100 square it should be हारो क्या दो बा 100 square c second square understand दो बा और x क्या ताने तो पुथोरो हारो x क्या ताम तो है c from the law क्या तानी 10 to the power 100 तार बा into c क्या ता दो माले 10 to the power 4 लाओ इधरो divided by 10 क्या ता हारो 10 to the power 5 so x is 10 to the power 5 kg clear इधरो हे ना complex होता है कोई dimension सी नगनी that will do now यार द्रो यूनिट अमा तकी यूनिट अम तो कन्वर्ट होगा CGS तकी SI दने तर माना random अमा पिरागा अमा तम कन्वर्ट होगा such type of question exam द expect होगा यार and that is very simple यार बा good next question मखलम ले रहे sum to multiply divide to area पुदो volume पुदो find the area find the volume find the perimeter नतर find the sum with नगी keeping in mind of significant figures के rules का और just significant figure count और तो वो है यानी अब then what is the rule of significant figure की नगी addition and subtraction हारो what is the rule addition subtraction के rule तो कहीं नो significant figure की involving one number one addition or subtraction plus or minus कमाई से कदा इधर एक तो है decimal meaning की significant figure यार अब check the number of significant figure after decimal यार अब after point ಅದು ನನಗೆ least significant figure ಥೀರೋಬ least significant figure after decimal ಯಾರಬೋ and that answer must contain that much significant figure after decimal meaning ದ ಖತಂಗ ಸಿಗ್ತದೋ ಯಾರಬ So most of the case study, just by counting significant figure, your answer is solved. Haro dudi, ahan by the after decimal significant kya hui? 2. Sidana 1. Sidana kya? 3. Minimum se kya ata raha hai? 2. Minimum 4. 1. Khange to okay, minimum is 1. Or the answer to get after decimal, the significant digit kya ho ba? 1. This is the only answer. But the question is, if answer anida, if we have two options with one significant digit after decimal, adu kamai to utara. Chora pa sum tori yengoba. 400, 200, adagi na some kind of 600 point something tado na tro. Amma man hai 66.3 harone. Example ki wani. Yandarava. If one of the option is 63.3, adan nang na high significant digit yaure kaina. Koi ka rojibo. Koi ka dro. Significant digit chuma jumi 400 ka 200 ka plus tor ka 6 star nang mga ne. You are a big police. Yarava. So, sumay khangtar. Sumaghari yaw kanil. So if any question that if they ask to find volume, area, multiplication, division with respect to or keeping in mind the significant figures, that question is the easiest. Never direct multiply to direct solve to ba. Check the significant figure. Understand the good. Yaw rin question. Ano sumba khara khangoro. NCERT de yaw do arrive ni. Ahan do part se de arrive nga to ni. Next phasabo question lag to rese. Tang confusing hoy ba. Khangoro. Ano sumba sin sin hai exam no matha ekta sadu khangoro ho uhoro. What is the value of multiply to raba? Multiplication की ना rule number 2 significant figure की multiplication से into or divide कमाई तो है overall yengo यारवा significant figure least significant figure overall the नकी decimal नुकसान क्या मतलब यानी क्या answer must have answer to के दो must have that much significant figure clear होगा और option जिन्हें कहीं पे रहा 5.0 5.0 और significant क्या हो रहा है 10 to the power car you mean the power ki the significant digit we don't count it clear. So we have two significant figures, so answer must contain how many significant figures? 2. Yarava of the which of the answer is possible? Haro significant digit after significant digit ani yawujun kana kana no tayo kana kana no haro ekatra ne D ga D also has two significant figures, this 0 has no significant. Yarava good. Then the question is, answer the animak chume. Season nang horen sadokan da 10 to the power minus 14 sabe rodro. Then both are correct. But more correct, more accurate. Karam boy gata. Yengo sida 5 level basa. In 200 10 power minus 6 10 power minus 8 ni. Adu nakai sina nangi 10 power minus 6 ka minus 8 to hana loisa loba. Kya ta jai 10 power minus 14 ta dro. Multiply to kan se 25 ta dro. This is more correct. Sidagi sis harak pan. Sidagi sis hagim na dro. Adu mi han nagi original value user ibu si han yo because magi significant figures jo valid ore satisfied ore. So this is more correct. Khango hai ba exam da anisi optional kan matha sane ani magi sumdro. Acha mana ba answer na dro nija. So ke ne hai. So this is more correct. Khangjing ga da si si khanga ja khro je. Exam da mo wakhal khal lai no ba. Hoje khalo. Next question yam phajabo question le sum question ko ne da khango hai ji. Mass period bolung ga loi pisan tawra ba. Then si budwar ba. Aigi satra na tabajing. Aigi satra ju kitang pangbajing. Niom chumna hotori density ka mass per unit volume. Kot padus mine head tora di. Ai mo uhalo kanu ko yaraba. Tumin holo figure out the thumbs laga. Smai hotori ba. Ai na hagre never do this. Mana sida kai hai correct significant haraba. Check only the significant. Adi divide todo na tro. Divide todo orga de kada ba. The answer must contain the least number of significant figure na tra. Sida significant kya hoyi? 4. Sida kya hoyi? 2. Then only 2 significant figures. Thiro kana no? Siya tangare. Nandara ba? Significant manaba ni yoraga na chorak pa kola kan si bhaudi 100 days out 1 day pick tore 2 days out adu makhar khangaga kolo ko yare yor kan ni question ma pan sugre mini kya jang re pung di hen gre se soy sawya de question tara bo dholo maji yarba ho bogi yar bosa so question tara bo dholo ji se tara di hen holo exactly 10 what ha boy na ma hamning man edu ha paro commitment spoiler ho gaya question number 10 adi am stress ida low bay adri mam de ko ji yam wali exam sida hone stress low hor di matha am sani so kan da stress low no horen yum chalaga si amu harab yengo minute manga bo pharo si yengba kanda point sing dum te yengo that's it samana heng revision to kan do smai to do yum da chalaga ngak minute manga tara yengo adu matung da to ba si physics pyron yare the length and breadth of a rectangular sheet are period the area of the sheet in approximate significant figures and error bisi kan daraba aham badana significant haramina let's focus on the significant first clear aham da man kari hara sida nagi aham banagi main thing sida hana yengo length and breadth period adu kare area bu donna dro area bu hade ke mane length into breadth then is multiplication and multiplication da ke doni hara khona count the significant figures see 3 natra answer must contain 3 significant figures main answer do main do point ni ko ise aur sida 3 le rहा sida kya le rहा 4 sida kya le rहा 3 sida kya le rहा manga le aur sida kitang ani achum bani yawa then error haram nahi na de yaro sida let's talk about the errors next error sing da ke dawi error sida error does what multiply to do ngani ko error does man ta significant loin check do jana ti yara significant yung si jo koi horen ka do ko no multiplication process ma so yaro ka ne si ena kadra multiplication process law ko ni akoina niyom chum na ho che hadi akoi aham da ka dawi da by a budok dro relative error you should find out first it is equal to delta l by l plus delta b by b na dro if you want to find this error see error na dro absolute error then delta a should be equals to a do som thangar kanda say delta l by l plus delta b by b into sirangi a ko me rokra multiplication involved to do have a multiplication involved to do or ka nangi error gi part su ka do da ba nangi sida yaw riba sing do sigi less significant lai do na tro error gi sida significant kya lai 1 atopa sida nangi a na multiply to do ni a that is significant kya lai gani 3 yani bhai ja this a will have significant figure of 3 na tro mam di ani se multiply to kan significant 3 la ka dai sigi calculation to ra kan da significant kya la kani 1 और the overall the significant क्या लगता है error की तो 1 so this is the only option clear ba sila d 3 out ro so significant khakta da check taro ka answer khot pa yane so sumba makhal ki question that do not go for the actual calculation it will simply waste your time clear ra good se ahan be khoi sira lo shala ji ai no da advice to do is amukan ko yar ga di noi kana guma mana print to tho adu ga noi xerox to na gre ma am to no ko effective hen hoina be one yare lo shalo okay ngasai du ta di haram me ko very good thank god yare lo shalo ji hayeng thing nurse